I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Highlander seats. Before you begin, gather your tools. You'll primarily need a 14mm socket wrench for most bolts, along with a flathead screwdriver and a trim removal tool for plastic covers. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your car's battery first. Keeping your bolts and small components organized will make reassembly much smoother later on. Let's get started with the rear seats. Removing the second and third row seats involves a few key steps. Begin by folding the seats down and clearing out any plastic storage bins in the cargo area. Next, use your trim removal tool to carefully pop off the plastic covers that hide the seat bolts. You'll find several bolts, often 14mm, that need to be unscrewed. Don't forget to disconnect any seat belt buckles. These seats can be quite heavy, so lift them out carefully, perhaps with a friend's help. For the front seats, start by moving the seat all the way forward, then all the way back to expose the 4 mounting bolts. Use your trim tool to remove the plastic covers over these bolts. Once exposed, unscrew the 4 14mm bolts. Next, tilt the seat backward to access and carefully disconnect all electrical harnesses, including those for power adjustments and airbags. Finally, raise your steering wheel for clearance and carefully lift the seat out of the vehicle. Safety is crucial throughout this process. Be extra careful with all electrical connections, especially those related to airbags, to prevent damage. When removing the bulky seats, take your time to avoid scratching any interior panels or doors. For reinstallation, reverse the steps, ensuring all bolts are properly aligned and tightened to their specifications. Double-check that all electrical connectors are securely reattached, and finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery. You've successfully removed your Highlander seats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.